Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this review, we're going to dive deep into this powerful website called Inboxally. Inboxally is a tool that help your email marketing. It's like a helper for your emails. It ensures that they don't get stuck in the spam folder and also help them land in the inbox. More people will see your emails. It works for checking your sender's reputation. Think of it as a grade for your email address, as a good grade means better inbox placement. It helps you fix problems that hurts your sender's reputation, and it aims to boost your open rate. So if you do a lot of outreach with emails, Inboxly can help you reach more people. Now, talking about the top benefit of Inbox, here are some top benefits that Inboxly offer. So it offer avoid spam and reach the primary inbox. It also comes with an improved email performance tracking together with enhanced sender repetition and an effective email list management together with a B2B focused solution. Now, talking about the best features, let's look at what makes Inboxly a special platform. It has some neat features that help your emails game, and here are 5 of the best features on this platform. One of the best features is the easy to set up and an email content tester together with a domain reporter and a seed emails. It also comes with an email spam checker. Now, talking about the pricing plan, they offer free, like they have over 4 pricing plan. They have a starter, they have a plus, a premium plan, and an enterprise plan together with a special key features being assigned on each and every plan. So if you want to know more about the pricing plan and the features together with the price, you can simply get back to the website to know more about the special features which is enlisted on each plan and the price for each plan. So that can help you decide which pricing plan is the best for your business. So that's it.